Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to reveal to you how you can add borders to your data in your Sheets on Google Sheets. For example, if you'd like to convert a set of data into a table by placing borders. So let me show you how it's done, guys. So let me navigate to this example table here in Google Sheets. So for example, undo this, you will see that there were no borders here. So what I did, I entered the values into these cells, right? So for example, what you want to do is highlight the data or the cells, or the range of cells like this. And now what you want to do is navigate to this button here, borders, and select the border style. For example, all borders, covering all cells, actually in all walls or sides here. But you can also go with other types of borders, horizontal borders, vertical ones, outer, inner, left, right, center, and so on and so forth. You can remove them as well by clicking to clear borders. So let me go with the first one, all borders, and now it looks like a table. So what you want to do is highlight it again, click into borders, and then you may change the border color. If you select no borders, the border color will be transparent, but you can go with any of these here and also adjust the border thickness here, like for example, choose this one here or a dotted border and so on and so forth, guys. So yeah, you can choose any of these here, right? So for example, that one, and that way apply these borders. As you can see now, the inner borders here have these dotted lines, and that's how we do it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.